Hi, and welcome to another Web Tools video. Today in Google Slides, we're going to show you how you can share your presentation. If you come right up here to this share button, click right here, it gives you a few options. So the first option that comes right up is sharing with people directly. So you can type in an email address, and if you select that email address, you are now going to send an email to that person inviting them to come view your document. This icon right over here helps you to basically you can select how this person will be able to interact with a document. Can they edit the document? Can they comment on the document? Or can they view? The difference between commenting and editing is commenting, they will not actually be able to change anything in your presentation, but they will be able to leave comments or suggestions as to what you can do with your presentation. Another way that you can share your document is with this link right here, this feature, get a shareable link. If you click on that feature, you will get a link that can be shared on Facebook or that can be shared with really anybody or any social media platform. And anyone who has the link will be able to access the document. You can also set permission settings here with this little down chevron. If I click on that, anyone with the link can edit the document, or anyone with the link can comment or view the document. Again, if I created a link and then I want to remove access from that link so that whoever has the link can no longer view it, I can just set it to off. Now there are more settings you can select. If you come right down here into this advanced button right here, you have a few more features. So you are given a link right up here at the top. We've already talked about what you can do with that link. Down here below it says who has access. So this you can change it to a private link. This is changing basically the settings of the link, so you can change it to anyone with the link or on the public web. Basically, we're changing the access of our document. And again, you can change the permission from can view to can comment or can edit. I'm going to go ahead and just change it to off, hit save. Now, in addition to this, you'll see everyone who has access to the document. Down here right now, you can see only one person, which is me, the owner, has access to the document. If I add additional people, they may have the ability to edit the document, but as an owner, I still have a little bit of control I can create. For example, down here below, I have owner settings. I can prevent other editors from changing access and adding new people. So if I own the document, but I don't want others to be able to, maybe I want them to edit the document, but I don't want them to be able to share and change who can edit the document, I might select that box. You also might disable the options to download, print, and copy for commenters and viewers so that they cannot take your content. So that's the basics of sharing using a link or sharing with someone's email directly. You also, however, do have the option to share embedded in a website. So if you come right up to here to file and then come down to publish to the web right here, this publish to the web, file, publish to the web. I click there and now I get a new option. Now there's a couple ways I can publish this. I can publish it using a link, or I prefer to embed the document. Now, embedding the document basically puts my slides right into a web page. You do need to insert code to do this, but this is really pretty simple since the code is given to you, and a lot of applications can show you have a little box that basically you just input your code, and then the slides are inserted into your web page. So first, I'm going to show you, let's go ahead and change this size to small. I'm going to just have it auto advance every 3 seconds, start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, and then grab my link. Right now, my document is already published. You can see it says published and the button is like grayed out like that. If it weren't, then like for example, if I hit stop publishing, hit OK, I would need to again hit publish, and then I would get the code that I'm looking for. So all I have to do is press Control-C to copy. Now I'm going to show you how it works in this W3 Schools HTML editor. If I just paste it into this code and then hit run, you can see my slides are now in this presentation and they're playing automatically. So I can adjust my settings whether I want it to play automatically, or I can make it full screen from here. Anyway, from here I have a lot of ability to work with those documents, but I can put it right in my web page and have a presentation right in my web page. So that's the basics of how I can share my slides in a web page or with anybody on the web. Hi, thanks for watching another Web Tools video and supporting our channel. After the video, if you still have a question about something we talked about, be sure to leave a comment or hit us up on our channel. And of course, if you're interested in learning how you can use your browser to its full potential, don't forget to subscribe below.